today I'm gonna show you how to make $1 seafood dishes that I used to eat when I was a kid. This is fermented mussel salad Thai style. So here is the ingredient. Thai fermented mussel shallot, lemongrass, kaffir lime, MSG. This one is optional, and fresh vegetable that you want to eat it with. Now first step, you need to prepare your herb. So all your herb, you need to chop up, slide them into a very thin slide. So like example, the kaffir lime leaf, you just need to chop them up real nice. I'm gonna show you how to do that now. This one, you can just slide in like a very thin noodle kind of shape. Now, the reason why this one is called $1 seafood is when I was a child, I grew up with my grandma, and normally I would get to eat instant noodles and a can of fish and egg. That's on my diet because we grew up with so littles. My dad's a monk. My mom cannot support to pay the child support, and I have to use every bit of the money. I have to stretch it out as much as possible when we have some, and forget about the seafood. I can barely remember how long it takes for me to eat a pork or fried pork when I was with grandma. One day I found this salad, this mussel in the bag. It's cost about 10 baht, so less than $1 even. So in there it had this raw pickled mussel, and it have kaffir lime leaf. They add chili in there, and mine, oh my, the flavor is so strong that one mussel pickle I can eat like about 5 tablespoons of the rice, and that is like I can stretch this out. Now the lemongrass, we do the same. We slide them. We slide them like this. When I go to Melbourne, there are these cooked already mussel in vinegar. They taste similar. It give like a kick the same. You know that tangy taste that you get from having with the vinegar. It's the same thing with this one. I'm not sure how they pickle this one though. For sure there's a salt in there, but the reason they color like this, they put the color in to make it look eatable, look tasteful, because without the color itself it look sort of like a black, but this way it look much better. So here. Now shallot, we do the same, everything thin slide, not chop, not dice. Slide them into like a little pieces like this. Now that's what it look like pretty much when you finish with your herb. Now normally they add ginger, but I don't like ginger. I'm being a child. You add ginger and chili and you get the good kick of that spicy flavor, but I'm being a baby. So now the fun part, add the pickle mussel. Oh, look at that. Looks amazing. Now have a look. Look how big the mussel is. Now Thai mussel, they're very small, but when they're raw they're like big. So but when you cook, they just shrink. Now let me try without the herb. Oh my god, it doesn't need anything else. Literally doesn't need anything else, but we're gonna go for the salad. Let's add shallot, kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, add all of that goodness in. Now what it does to make them not taste too much of the sea flavor, you know. And then I'll add a little bit of the goodness powder MSG. You don't have to add it, but we need a kick. So we're gonna go mix everything together. That's it. Oh, look at the color. Look at that. Now there you go. The mussel pickle salad Thai style. Let's do the test. You know what go well together with this one? A nice, beautiful, hot jasmine rice, freshly cooked, and a bunch of vegetable. My favorite is a cucumber. So let's do the test. This is how you eat it. Just scoop that big bite, put on top of the rice. You know what it gives the flavor of the herb? If you like beef salad, this is like plat. You add galangal, oh no, you add the lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, onion, shallot, cucumber. Give that like refreshing. And the mussel, pickled mussel, soft, sweet. Like if you're brave to eat raw pickled mussel, I recommend you this one. This is what I grew up eat with. This is one of my favorite childhood meal. It's not fancy, but it's something like different from instant noodles and a can of fish when I was a kid. I eat this one almost every day, as much as I can, because there's something like different from like instant noodles. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy this easy recipe from me. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you see more cooking recipe. And also I have Covecto website. You can go check it out. I update my exclusive food recipe that you can check it out and you can enjoy. I have crispy pork recipe, cookie recipe, cupcake recipe, drink recipe, all the Thai food recipe. You can go check it out. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.